Southwire is the one-stop solution for your residential job site needs. Nearly 1 in 2 new homes built in the United States contain Southwire wire. Whether it is our legendary Romex brand simple cable or one of our other innovative products, we help you get the job done. Southwire continues to enhance our product lines, adding tools and equipment that work hand in hand with the wire and cable we have supplied for over 70 years. From our hand tools and equipment, all the way to the extension cords, multi-outlet solutions, temporary lights, and other electrical components like staples, boxes, protective guards, and more. Southwire is well equipped to be your complete electrical solution for residential jobs. Southwire also provides a variety of services, calculators, and manuals to help assist you on your build. From our contractor solutions team on the job site working side by side with your team to our Southwire Solutions University training facility, we have the knowledge and expertise to help you solve your residential job site problems.